Hey there, welcome to the brand new course in Microsoft Azure. That is your 305 for Microsoft Azure Solution Architect by CertoMeter. So, here we are going to learn about the various skills required to develop your Azure infrastructure solutions. And here we are proceeding. So, in order to understand better, we need to follow a particular certification overview. That is, the code for the Microsoft Azure Solution Architect is 305. And in order to achieve that, it has been advisable that you should be going with the first Administrator Associate exam, followed by your 305 exam, that is your Solution Architect course. Followed by, if you have given these two exams, you are getting a final certification expert badge. So that's what the specialty of this course that is we are going to cover. Now, in order to understand what are the certifications overview or the various Microsoft certifications available, so one can start with the fundamental parts, that is your AZ-900, or they can go for the data series, that is your DP-900, followed by they can go either with the artificial intelligence. So even if you're new to Azure, you can start with the fundamentals, okay? But if you skip the fundamental also and directly if you're going for the associate exam, that is also fine. So fundamentals are optional. And if you can see that is a dotted line, that is your optional exams, right? Fundamental. But it's good to have that certification if you want to achieve your goal for the longer run. And let's suppose you have taken this Azure Administrator Associate exam, followed by you can give this 305 exam. So that is the overview of the where you are stand. Okay. So similarly, you can go for the data protection series and followed by this particular associate exam. Now going forward, we are going to see what else we are having here. So we are going to see about the various weightage of each modules we are going to cover. So first, we will be exploring about the various modules in detail. So we have till module 1 to 11, we have various modules segregated. But the main course agenda where your course is evolving is based upon these four topics. So in the first topics, you are going to cover about the identities, users, groups, devices, governance, and monitoring installations. That is the weightage which you are able to see here. It is the weightage of the exam questions which you can get or you can expect in your exam. Going forward, you can see that designing data storage solutions, that is 25 to 30%. Going forward, like a backups and all those things is covered in this business continuity solutions. And also we are going to design about the infrastructure. So you need to plan the exam. So that is why we as at CertoMeter provides you the guidance for the exam so that with our clear short and clear cut questions, you can easily clear that exam. Now, you can be imagining that what are the things you can expect from this particular course after buying this course. So we have the updated videos for the various Azure concepts that is will help you not only to clarify or to clear your doubts, but in order to clear your exam as well. Also, you will be able to understand what are the case studies. So we have the various case studies design where we are discussing about the real-time live example scenarios. And also you will be getting an up-to-date time simulation, like you will be getting a particular exam environment created where you can go have a particular timer set and you have the particular questions that you can answer. Also, you will be having exam scheduling support from our side. So if in case if you want to schedule your 305 or your Azure Solution Architect expert course exam, definitely you can reach out to our team or our team will definitely will be your guidance path. Also, there will be a live doubt clarifications for your doubts. So whatever the doubts you are having, we will be having a planned live sessions where you can ask your doubt to the mentor or to me. Also, it is having a free upgrade for this course. So within the period span of 6 to 8 months, whatever the updates are coming from the Microsoft side, it will be a free. So what are you waiting for? Just join us. Now, In order to be your exam prospective concern queries answered, we have this designed in such a manner that your solution architect expert exam will be ease for you. So in that case, we are organized this simulation. So you will be getting various simulation. So here you can see that you will be having a question number. Just it's an example. You are having the four options for this question, and these are the questions which you need to answer, and there will be a timer set. So these things will really gonna help you to clear your exam and to understand where you stand in terms of knowledge. So that will be helpful in the longer period of time. Also, now we need to understand that why the Microsoft's Azure certification is really important, because total in this particular era, the cloud computing technology is booming the market. So if you have a certification, if you have in place any kind of Azure certification, definitely it's going to be helpful in order to get those jobs. Okay, so if you go for the Naukri.com, if you go for the Monster.com, if you go any of the job portal sites, there will be plenty of jobs related to your Azure certifications. So you need to think that in that way as well. Also, now what the final question, what makes us better? So we are providing you the whole bunch of project or the whole bunch of package in your this content, so that it is not going only going to help you with your exam preparation, but also we are having a very cumulative and crisp study material. So whatever is required for you to clarify your doubts or to clear your understanding for your exam, that we have included and that we have more focused on. Okay, so that is what where which makes us better from the other organization. So we are only covering the deep inside knowledge for the particular topics that will not only going to help you, that will also help you to understand the with the real time live examples. Okay, so that will be going to certainly help you in the longer period of time for the live examples. Now, the final question is still, if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, I already told you, I already mentioned in the previous slide that we have the live sessions where you can ask your doubt to the mentor. So, what are you waiting for? You can join us. Thank you.